A child born inside the Kaaba, a warrior whose sword never knew defeat, a mind so wise that even the greatest scholars stood in awe. Who was this man? A leader, a warrior, or something far greater? This is the story of Imam Ali, the Lion of Allah, the symbol of justice and the legacy that time could never erase. On the 13th of Rajab, in the year 600 CE, a pious woman, Sayyida Fatima bint Asad, entered the holy Kaaba while in the final stages of her pregnancy. There she gave birth to a noble son. As soon as she stepped out of the Kaaba with the newborn, Prophet Muhammad took the child into his arms and named him Ali, which means the one with high status. When Imam Ali, Prophet Muhammad, took him from Abu Talib and raised him in his own care. This is why Imam Ali grew up under the direct guardianship of the Prophet and Bibi Khadija. When the first revelation was sent down to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Imam Ali, alayhi salam, was around 10 years old. The Prophet, peace be upon him, "Do you testify that Allah is one and that I am his messenger?" Imam Ali, Ekasan, replied, "I have never worshipped anyone but Allah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah and that you are his last prophet." Then the Prophet, peace be upon him, asked, "Will you support me in my mission?" Imam Ali firmly replied, "O Prophet of Allah, I will always stand by your side and assist you." For 3 years, the Prophet, peace be upon him, Imam Ali, alayhi salam, and Bibi Khadija, rahmatullah alayha, remained steadfast in Islam, praying together in secrecy. No one else had embraced the faith at that time. However, after receiving Allah's command, the Prophet, peace be upon him, openly declared his prophethood. As a result, the disbelievers of Makkah began mocking and opposing him. They would taunt and ridicule him, but Imam Ali stood by his side like a shield, unwavering in his support. The disbelievers laughed at Imam Ali, calling him just a young boy, and questioned how he could make a difference. However, Allah did not like their arrogance. He granted Imam Ali immense strength, such that no mighty warrior of Arabia could stand against him. In the great battles of Badr, Uhud, and Khandaq, Imam Ali fought bravely and defeated the strongest disbelievers, proving that his courage and strength were unmatched. Among those who accepted Islam, there was a Jewish man named Abdullah bin Sabah. When he converted to Islam, he closely observed that there was one man in the Muslim community who possessed extraordinary power and wisdom. He was astonished by how this man spoke about the mysteries of the universe, as if he had witnessed them firsthand. His knowledge was so vast that no scholar had ever been able to surpass him. This man was none other than Imam Ali. Abdullah bin Sabah became so obsessed with Imam Ali that his admiration turned into blind devotion. He lost control over his beliefs and started preaching to people, saying, "Ali is God and I am his prophet." When Imam Ali heard of this, he was deeply disturbed. He gathered the people and sternly warned them, saying, "Fear Allah, I am not God. Stay away from this false belief and do not fall into this fitna, corruption." However, Abdullah bin Sabah refused to stop. He traveled from city to city, spreading his false teachings. All the while, Imam Ali was engaged in battle against Muawiyah, who was trying to destroy Islam from within. As Imam Ali was occupied with defending the Muslim community, Abdullah bin Sabah continued corrupting people's beliefs. But soon, word of his actions reached Imam Ali once again. This time, Imam Ali took strict action. He ordered Abdullah bin Sabah to be burned alive and declared, "Whoever calls me God, I will burn them in fire." Some people objected, saying that Abdullah bin Sabah should have been given a different punishment. But the truth was that he was never a true Muslim. His only goal was to create division and corruption in Islam. The legacy of Imam Ali, the story of Abdullah bin Sabah, teaches us an important lesson. Even the greatest leaders face trials from within their own ranks. Imam Ali stood firmly for truth and justice, never allowing falsehood to take root in Islam. His wisdom, courage, and unwavering faith in Allah's oneness continue to inspire millions. And even today, his life remains a beacon of guidance for those who seek the truth.